Hi, everyone. I hope everyone is doing well. My name is Mr. Christian, and I will be leading the Spanish lesson for all of you today. And thank you for coming by. Now, the video to see each other is off, and your microphones are muted as well, so I won't be able to see you or hear you. I'm turning off the video and the microphone so that I can record the Spanish lesson for the people who couldn't join us today. If you have any questions about anything that I go over, you can leave that question in the chat, and I can take a look at it at the end of this lesson, or you can have an adult help you send me an email with your question. And here is my email. I'm gonna leave it up for about 10-15 seconds, okay? And just to remind you, this is just one of the many Spanish lessons that we're gonna go over for the next upcoming weeks, all right? So let's go back to our main screen and let's go over what it says here. Spanish, español. Español is the Spanish word for Spanish. Can you say español? Let's break down the word if it's hard. You can break it down like this. Español. Español. Now let's try to say it all together. Español. Español. So in today's lesson, we're going to be going over the alphabet in Español, counting from 1 to 10 in Español, the colors in Español, and some basic vocabulary words in Español. Now, you don't have to write anything that I have here shown on a piece of paper, but if you want to, that's okay. Since I'm recording this video, it will be uploaded to YouTube for you to be able to watch it next week on your free time. I'll pass this video to your teachers for them to send it to you, all right? For this lesson, you'll just need your eyes focused on the screen, both ears open and ready to listen, and for you to use your voice to repeat the letters, numbers, and words that I say. Are you ready? All right, let us start with our lesson. Let's start by going over the alphabet in Spanish. In Spanish, you say el alfabeto when you're talking about the alphabet. Repeat after me. El alfabeto. El alfabeto. Now you can break up the word alfabeto by saying it like this. Al, fa, be, to. It's kind of like how we do it in English with our syllables, right? We use our hands, we clap when we have different syllables. We can do that also for this word, alfabeto. Let's try to break it apart one more time. Al, fa, be, to. Now let's try to say it all together. El alfabeto. So here is a slide of el alfabeto, the Spanish alphabet. In the English alphabet, there are 26 letters that you know of from A all the way to Z. But in el alfabeto, there are 27 letters. Can you figure out which letter is the extra one? I'm gonna give you about 10 seconds to see if you can figure out which letter is the extra one here. Did you find the extra one in the alphabet? It's this one right here. This N has a little squiggly line above it. It kind of looks like a worm wiggling above the N. So this is an additional letter that el alfabeto has. And we will learn how to say it when we start reading el alfabeto. So let's start reading el alfabeto. We're going to start with A. I'm also going to point to each letter with this little arrow. I hope you can see it. So after I say the letter in Spanish, repeat after me, okay? Let's start. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, Ñ. We'll try this one. Ñ, Ñ, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Good job. Don't worry, we'll do this one more time. So again, after I say each letter in Spanish, repeat after me. Let's start again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, Ñ. This one is Ñ. O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Good job, everyone. That is el alfabeto. Now, we're going to move on to los números, or also known as the numbers. Say those two words with me. Los números. This is something that we can also break apart. Break it apart with me. Ready? Nu, me, ros. Nu, me, ros. Now let's put it all together. Los números. Números. Let's look at los números. So I only included los números from 1 to 10 for now, but I promise you that we will talk about the rest of the números in a future lesson. Okay? So let's begin by saying los números en español. After I say the number in Spanish, repeat after me. Okay? Let's start. Number 1 is uno. Number 2, dos. Number 3, tres. Number 4, cuatro. Number 5, cinco. Number 6, seis. Number 7, siete. Number 8, ocho. I underlined this CH part because the CH makes a ch sound. It's kind of like when you say the word cheese, right? It also makes that sound. So 8 again in Spanish is ocho, ocho. 9, nueve. And 10, diez. All right, let's do it again. Let's count. Uno, that's 1. Dos, that's 2. Tres, that's 3. Cuatro, that's 4. Cinco, that's 5. Seis, that's 6. 7 is siete. Ocho is 8. Nueve is 9. And diez is 10. All right, now we're going to count these again from 1 to 10, and we're going to use our fingers, all right? We're going to start with number 1. So every time you lift a finger, you're going to count it in that order. All right? We're going to do it in Spanish. Ready? Go. Uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco, seis, siete, ocho, nueve, and diez. Good job. Give yourselves a pat on the back so far for doing a good job. Now, let's move on to los colores, or also known as the colors. So let's practice this word. Colores. Let's break it apart. Colores. 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 Now let's say this whole 2 words together. Los colores. Los colores. Let's check out los colores en español. So here we have a picture of los colores. And of course, you're familiar with these colors. We have our red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, pink, gray, brown, white, and black. So we're going to start with el color rojo. Rojo is our red. So every time I point at the color, you're going to repeat after me. All right. And some of these words are long and we'll break it apart. All right. Let's start with rojo. Repeat after me. Rojo. This is anaranjado. Let's break it apart. Anaranjado. 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 Put it together. Anaranjado. Anaranjado. Good job. Amarillo. Amarillo. Let's break it apart. Amarillo. 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 The two L's in amarillo make a Y sound. So you hear that y sound. Amarillo. Verde, verde. Azul, azul. Morado, morado. You break it apart by morado, morado. Rosa, rosa. Gris, gris. Café, café. Blanco, blanco. Negro, negro. Let's go over these colors again. Our red is rojo, rojo. Orange is anaranjado, anaranjado. Our yellow is amarillo, amarillo. Our green is verde, verde. Our blue is azul, azul. Purple is morado, morado. Our pink is rosa, rosa. Our gray is gris, gris. Our brown is café, café. Our white is blanco, blanco. And our black is negro, negro. Good job, everyone. Now we're going to move on to our last section, be talking about some vocabulary words. In Spanish, we say vocabulario. I know it's pretty long, but let's break up the word vocabulario. Ready? Vocabulario. Vocabulario. Let's keep saying it faster. Vocabulario. 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 Let's look at some words en el vocabulario. So here I have just 10 words that just common words in English. We have boy, girl, mom, dad, food, home, school, park, street, and toy. So let's go every one of these words en el vocabulario. Let's start with boy. You say niño. Here's that N with the little squiggly line on it. It makes a ny sound. Like an onion, that nian sound. Niño. That's how we say boy in Espanol. Niño. Niña, the ending is a. Niña is how we say girl in Espanol. Niña. For our mom, there's two ways. You can say mamá or madre. Mamá or madre. For dad, you can say papá, padre. Papá, padre. For food, comida, comida, comida. Home, you say casa, casa. School, escuela, escuela. For park, parque, parque, parque. Street, you say calle, calle. Here we have that double L again that makes that y sound. Calle. And toy is juguete, juguete, juguete. Now let's go over this again and make sure you're repeating after me every time I say it in Spanish, okay? Niño. Niño means boy. Niña. Niña. That means girl. Mamá. Mamá o madre. Madre. These two mean mom. Papá. Papá o padre. Padre. These two mean dad. Comida. Comida. This means food. Casa. Casa. That means home. Escuela. Escuela. That means school. Parque. Parque. That means park. Calle. Calle. That means street. Juguete. Juguete. That means toy. All right, everyone. That is the end of this Spanish lesson.